In this example, I will show you how to create a line by using 3 ways: the absolute, the reference, and symmetrical methods. Now, let's close the current workbench. To do so, select File, then choose Close. OK then. To enter the Sketcher workbench, select Start, then select Mechanical Design, and then choose Part Design. Now, select the supporting plane. There will be no difference whether you choose the plane from the specifications tree or from the geometry area. In this case, I choose the XY plane from the specifications tree. OK then. Click the sketch icon. First, I will start with creating absolute line. To create most of the elements, you need to define points. In this application, we have 2 ways to define them. The first way is the direct method, which means we pick the points by the mouse directly from the geometry area. The second way is to enter the point values in the Sketch Tools toolbar. OK then. For now, let's use the direct method. Click the line icon. Click to indicate the first point in the geometry area. Then click to indicate the second point. The line is created. OK then. Let me go ahead with the line. I will show you how to create reference line this time. Click the line icon. Right-click the first line and select Parameter. Then set as Angle Reference from the contextual menu. You see now, we have red arrow. It is indicating the orientation of the reference line. Type in the Sketcher Tools toolbar, in the angle field A equals 75 degrees, and press Enter. Click to indicate the start point location. Click to indicate the endpoint location. The new line is created with an angle of 75 degrees in relation to the first line reference orientation. OK then. Now, let me show you how to create symmetrical extensions. Click the line icon. In the same time, activate Symmetrical Extension option. By activating this option, every line that we create will be mirrored in the opposite direction automatically. Click anywhere to define the starting point, and drag the cursor to pick the ending point. You see now, line in both directions is created. OK then. Now, let's try more professional work on the line. I will create referenced 45-degree symmetrical line. Click the line icon. Make sure the Symmetrical Extension command option is activated. Right-click this line and select Parameter. Then set as Angle Reference. Now, type in the angle field 45 degrees and press Enter. Click to define the starting point and drag the cursor to pick the ending location. As you see, the median appears. It is referenced with 45 degree with respect to the selected line. OK then. Now, instead of the direct method, let's use the Sketch Tools toolbar to create line. Assume we need a line with length of 125 millimeters. That to be started from the point 1012 and has angle of 45 degrees with respect to the absolute system. OK then. Click the line icon and deactivate the Symmetrical Extension option. As you see, The Sketch Tools toolbar now displays values for defining the line. Type for the start point h equals 10, v equals 12, and press Enter to validate each value. Type in the endpoint field L equals 125, A equals 45, and press Enter each time. The line is created. OK then. Finally, let me show you how to edit the line. Double-click one of the lines. The line definition dialog box appears. It is indicating the line endpoint coordinates. Now you can enter new coordinates if you want to. Also, instead, you can define the length and angle. And if you wish to change the line type, then check the Construction Elements option. Finally, press OK to validate.